All
Good
right.
job. Okay, now if you want to take it out, that's done. If you want to take it out, what you've got to do is move this. Look here. Pete, Pete, look here. If you want to take it out, you got to move this, like that. Okay, go ahead.
Right,
Good
we're just
job.
gonna call him done when we're done, because when we're ready to eat, because it doesn't work.
Now you can help Daddy hang the cabinet.
Yeah. Oh boy.
All right.
Here.
Make it salad, I guess.
Good job, Pete. Screw them all in. All right.
Okay, it's in there.
You've heard that
Do the
sound
purple
before.
one. Do the purple one. Line it up.
Oil and vinegar.
Good job, Pete.
Okay, that
Wow, you got
one's
it.
in. Make another one.
He likes that.
That's fun.
Here, put this one in. Put that one in. Pretty soon you're going to be in this old house. Okay, hold it up. Here, like this. Like this, straight. See how it's straight? Okay, hold it. There you go.